Okay, welcome back to my channel, and today is going to be another fall palette series, and the palette today is going to be the Morphe Taupe palette, the 35T palette, and there went the shades. Here's what the inside of the palette looks like. Just a beautiful neutral taupey palette. I will be happy when Morphe gets it together and puts the shade names on the insides of the palettes, because why not? So I'm just going to point to the shades because my shade sheet just fell onto the floor, and I have trouble like holding a shade sheet up and trying to figure out all the names and what goes where. So we're just going to be pointing to shades, and that's how we're going to do it today. I am going to start out with this shade down here in the crease, just to kind of get that going and see what happens. Also, I'm trying something different with my lighting and I'm having trouble seeing, so this could be a fun video. And also some things got moved around when I was trying to get the monitor battery in and everything, so hopefully the angle and everything isn't too horrible. And I don't know what's going on with my hair, but it's just got some weird things that are hanging down and sticking out, and I don't know. It's just, yesterday was a good day. So I feel like today is just, you can't have two good days in a row. So it's just how it seems to go these days. I think to deepen up the eye, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm just going to try and make this as quick as possible because I am getting hot really fast. But that's just how it is, man. Like, once it starts getting hot here, it just gets hotter and hotter. And then, like, with the lights for filming, it just, within like 10 minutes, it's just unbearably hot. And then things just start going downhill quick. Like, I have not had frizz in my hair for a long time since I started doing the curly thing, but like I feel like I can feel it kind of frizzen up a little bit. I did use a couple different products today, so maybe those just aren't for me. But yeah, I feel like I can just feel my whole body just going out of control because it's getting hot that fast. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which again, I have no idea what it's called because the shade thing fell out on the floor, so I apologize. Okay, that's really, really pretty. It's just like a cool toned purple shimmery shade. I think it's beautiful. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of buff everything out a little more, if I can find my brush that I used. Alright, just want to buff everything out a little bit more. Blend it all. Alright, then I'm going to deepen up the outer edge a little, just a smidge more. I definitely feel like this palette could use a couple deeper shades, like maybe like a matte black or even like a more darker gray, I think would have been perfect for this palette. Just to kind of help deepen some things up a little bit. Alright, now for the lower lash line. I think I'm going to take, it's this shade right here. This is kind of one of those sequin shades, but usually with those, the sparkle part usually doesn't really end up showing up, I don't think. So hopefully that should be okay. If not, I'll just have a couple of sparkles under my eye. I don't really mind. I love sparkle. Okay. And then just for that lower inner corner highlight, I am going to take this shade right here. This is a really, really pretty shade. I kind of want to try and take this and just like pop a little bit in the center of my eye. That looks really pretty. Sometimes I like to do that. I haven't been doing it as much, but just taking like a little pop of something else in the center of the eye can really just make it look even better. Yeah, I like it. Alright, so I'm going to go throw on my mascara and I will be right back. Alright, so I am back and this is the finished look. Just a beautiful, beautiful, sultry, sexy, smoky eye. And it was with the Morphe 35T Taupe palette. Here's what the inside of this beautiful palette looks like. And then the lip that I am wearing today is the Half Caked makeup. I think these are called like a fondant lip or something, but here's what it looks like. These do dry down to a full matte. I wore one yesterday and I ate dinner, was drinking, and it stayed on through everything, and it's comfortable. This is a very comfortable, beautiful lip, lasts through everything. This might be what I'm wearing in my wedding, at least one of these. I only have a couple. I want to pick up some more, but that is it for today's video. Thank you so much. Please stay safe, have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one.